Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a beautiful home decoration ideas, easy, affordable and stylish way to transform your space into a place that truly feel like you. Whether you live in a small apartment, a cozy home or just want to refresh your interior, these ideas will help you create to warmth and mindfulness right where you live. So grab your cup of tea, relax and let's get inspired together. Let's make start with nature-inspired decoration, one of the most timeless trend. Picking elements of the outdoor inside instantly create peace and balance. You can use wooden tray, jute rugs, pine cones, dry flowers, or mason jars filled with the teeny fairy lights. Add a touch of greenery, real or artificial. A few indoor plants like snake plants add life of pure air. If you don't want maintain real plants, use dried and cross ornaments or artificial vines for a fresh rustic touch. So arrange your decor items in odd numbers, 3 or 5 is naturally look more balanced to the eye. If you are new our channel, so please must subscribe and visit our channel. There's lots of beautiful and amazing project for your upcoming Christmas event. Use old glass bottles and candles holder, paint old jar, flowers vase, or turn wooden craft into a beautiful shaving units. Cardboard and wooden boards can also be transformed into a wall art. Wall hanging is a most beautiful and amazing project which is really like and look beautiful in your home. When you complete, you will be surprised how old materials can bring new charms when mixed with creativity. Remember, home decoration does not need to be expensive, it needs to be meaningful. I'm already shared with you lots of beautiful and amazing DIY projects. Hope you like that. So, lighting play like a role in decoration. Replace harsh white bulbs with warm fairy lights, table lamp or LED candles. Soft warm tone instantly make a room feel welcoming. You can even wrap fairy lights around mirrors, bottles or wall shelves for a dreamy glow. Perfect for evening or festive decoration. Walls are your blank canvas. Try hanging photos frame, mirror art or fabric. Mix different texture, wooden, metal and fabric to craft visual interest. For your tables, combine centerpiece like candles, pine cones and teeny vases. You can even add artificial grass, mat under glass jar for a organic touch. If you love aesthetic, keep things natural, white, beige and earthy tones never go out of style. For a bolder, personally go with the accent walls of a bright peps of color through cushions and your vases. Your home should change with the season. It's keep the energy fresh in spring. Use pastel tone, flowers and light fabric. And for Christmas or holiday, add wooden ornaments, wreath, fairy lights, and handmade craft. Each season gives you a reason to refresh.